I'm Bobby Linkamer on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, and I'd like to invite you to visit my website at writeanonfictionbook.com. So you're building an outline, and then there is the organization on the computer. And you should back up, because there's nothing worse than losing your book. So for every chapter, you should have a file. First of all, you have one file folder called The Book. Then inside that file folder, every chapter has its own file folder. The introduction has a file folder. The preface has a file folder. Every part of the book has a file folder, the stuff that's going to go on your cover. And as you add material, it goes in the file folder. And for everything that you have on your computer, you should have a hard copy.